Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Beatbot A100 Pro Pool Robot Vacuum, also known as the AquaSense Pro 2026 upgrade. I've looked through the internet, checked owner feedback, pool enthusiast discussions, and real-world experiences, and I'm going to help you decide whether this product is actually worth buying or not. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The first thing that stands out is the true 5-in-1 cleaning system. Most robotic pool cleaners focus on floors, walls, and water lines. The A100 Pro goes further by adding surface skimming and water clarification. In practical terms, this means the robot isn't just cleaning dirt from the bottom of the pool. It is actively removing floating debris from the surface while also helping improve water clarity. This creates a more complete cleaning experience than most competing robots on the market. One of the most unique features is the automatic clarifier dispensing system. Instead of relying solely on filtration and manual chemical treatments, the robot can release a bio-based clarifier designed to help collect fine particles and improve water clarity. This feature is still relatively rare in the industry and helps differentiate the A100 Pro from traditional robotic cleaners. Another major highlight is the surface skimming capability. Floating leaves, bugs, pollen, and debris are often some of the most noticeable contaminants in a pool. Most robotic cleaners ignore the surface completely, but the A100 Pro can actively skim the top layer of water while also handling traditional cleaning tasks. For pool owners who constantly deal with falling leaves or outdoor debris, this can significantly reduce manual skimming. The navigation system is another area where Beatbot has clearly invested heavily. The combination of a quad-core processor, multiple sensors, and AI-assisted route planning allows the robot to create efficient cleaning paths throughout the pool. In real-world use, this means less random wandering and more systematic coverage, helping ensure that every section of the pool receives attention. Battery life is also extremely impressive, with up to 9.5 hours of surface cleaning and up to 5 hours of floor cleaning. This robot is designed for large pools that would challenge many competitors. For pools up to 3,299 square feet, the extended runtime provides enough capacity to complete cleaning tasks without frequent recharging interruptions. One feature that many users appreciate is the smart return and surface parking system. Traditionally, robotic pool cleaners can be awkward to retrieve because they remain submerged and become heavy when filled with water. The A100 Pro automatically returns and positions itself at the surface after cleaning or when battery levels become low. This seemingly simple feature dramatically improves convenience in everyday use. The 9-motor NonaDrive system is another standout specification. Combined with powerful suction, dual-track movement, and large roller brushes, it allows the robot to climb walls effectively, navigate complex pool shapes, and handle a wide range of debris sizes. Whether it's fine dirt, leaves, or larger debris, the cleaning system is designed to maintain strong performance. The wireless charging dock is another premium touch. Instead of dealing with exposed charging ports and cables, users simply place the robot on the dock. This not only improves convenience, but also reduces concerns about water intrusion and long-term connector wear. Of course, there are some considerations before buying. This is a premium robotic pool cleaner, and the price reflects that. Many pool owners may find that simpler robotic cleaners can handle basic floor and wall cleaning for significantly less money. The additional features are valuable, but you'll need to decide whether the convenience is worth the premium investment. Another point is that advanced technology brings additional complexity. While the smart features are impressive, long-term reliability is something that only years of real-world ownership can fully establish for any newer generation robotic platform. After reviewing the specifications, user feedback, and overall feature set, my conclusion is pretty clear. The Beatbot A100 Pro is one of the most advanced robotic pool cleaners currently available, offering capabilities that go well beyond traditional pool robots. So should you buy it? If you want one of the most automated pool cleaning experiences on the market and you're willing to pay for premium convenience, then yes, this is absolutely worth considering. The combination of floor cleaning, wall cleaning, waterline scrubbing, surface skimming, water clarification, AI navigation, and smart retrieval features makes it one of the most complete pool maintenance solutions available today. Thanks for watching, and if you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews and buying guides. I'll see you in the next one.